Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to align layers in Photoshop. Basically aligning layers means suppose if I want to work with these two images. I've clicked these images by my hand. This is my laptop basically, and as you can see in one image the laptop screen is quite visible, but the background is not that sharp, it's not that clear. But in the other image the background is a little clear but the laptop screen is dark. And suppose if I want to show both, if I want to show the background as well as the laptop screen quite clearly, I would have to do a lot of editing, and it just won't look that good. So what I did is just shot a picture in which the laptop screen was good and one picture in which the laptop screen wasn't that good. Now what I'm going to do is just combine these two images and align them perfectly so that the screen aligns well, and then I can create an image in which I have a sharp background as well as a sharper screen. So that is going to be done using Photoshop, and we have two different ways to do that, but there's one way that is like the most effective and that's a little quicker and easier to understand, so we are going to use that way. So for that I'll just close these images first, and we've learned already to load files into a stack. So if you have forgotten that, what we have to do is just go to file. Here we have the option called as scripts. So under scripts we have the option as load files into stack. So using that option we are going to browse the files, that is this two images, and I'll click on OK. And there we have these two options. So I had earlier discussed about this automatically align source images. So we are just going to check on that option and click on OK. It will take time, but it will automatically align the laptop screens and other background quite perfectly, and then it would be just like beneficial for us, right? I'll just zoom out. I guess it's done. Yeah. So as you can see, all my images are aligned properly. So this is the darker image, and on top of that is the brighter image. As you can see, there's a little difference of the aspect ratio though, but I guess we can work with that, right? So what we are going to do is, using this image, I'm just going to go to the quick select tool, tap on this image over here, and using the quick select tool, or for that matter you can even use the polygonal lasso tool, and just select all the edges of this laptop screen, just somewhat like this. So as you can see, I've selected the laptop screen quite well, and now what I can do is just go to this masking tool and I can mask out the screen. So if you notice properly, now just the screen is visible and it's on the top of this layer. So if I turn this off, this is my original image with a darker screen, and this is the screen on the top, which is the brighter screen. And as you can see, it's looking better now, and it has the proper screen as well as the proper background, just the way I need it. And now I can work with this image. So basically I can do some more editing, or if I just wanted to send some of my interior ideas, maybe somewhat like that, so I can just send this image in which the image is bright as well as the laptop screen looks good. So now the part is of this one. So what you can do is, either using the marquee tool you can just select this part, and then using content aware you can fill it. So for that, go to edit, go to this one first, go to edit, fill, content aware, click on OK. I doubt it would work, but let's see. It is working, but as you can see, there's a lot of messing up over here and it just doesn't look that good. So what I'm going to do is just press Ctrl plus Z to undo, Ctrl plus D to deselect, and in a simple way what I'm going to do is just crop this image so that I don't have the transparent pixels in the background, and I have the complete image of my desk with the laptop screen completely brightened up. So that's how we can use align tool, and that's how we can edit the pictures using align tool using Photoshop. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.